California's Attorney General just spoke in San Francisco on the new lawsuit against the Trump administration over its move to end birthright citizenship. He says he was deeply disappointed in the move, but not at all surprised.
The president chose to start his second term by knocking down one of our country's foundational, long-standing rights and disregarding our nation's governing document. A terrifying tone to set for the rest of his term. It violates our U.S. Constitution. It also violates the Immigration and Nationality Act and flouts more than 125 years, a century and a quarter, of long-standing, well-established precedent set by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Well, the Attorney General is asking for a preliminary injunction to immediately block this order from taking effect. He is joined by the Attorney Generals from Massachusetts, New Jersey, and those from 15 other states, as well as Washington, D.C., and the city and county of San Francisco in this action.
If allowed to stand, this order would endanger thousands of U.S. citizens who will be born in the next year, real children and families just trying to live their lives in peace. It would strip Americans of their most basic rights and the privileges they're owed as citizens. Children would be forced to live under the threat of deportation. The fear, anxiety, and trauma of that alone is enormously detrimental to their mental and emotional well-being.
The ACLU and other immigrant rights groups have also filed a lawsuit arguing the order is unconstitutional and would harm newborns by denying them citizenship, basic rights, and opportunities. Advocates stress that birthright citizenship, which is guaranteed by the 14th Amendment, is a fundamental U.S. principle. Here's an aerial view of right now of the U.S.-Mexico border in Southern California at sunrise today. This is the San Ysidro crossing point. You can see all those cars waiting in line just to get through. And the new Trump administration shuttered an app used by asylum seekers to book appointments with immigration officials and canceled all outstanding bookings. About 30,000 migrants were waiting to enter through the app. President Trump also signed orders to keep asylum seekers in Mexico while awaiting immigration hearings, labeled drug cartels as terrorist organizations, and promised to send troops to the U.S. southern border.